Christian Craig's time with Yamaha has ended, and that with the confirmation from his Instagram post as of today, as I'm recording this, saying, quote, "Just wanted to give everyone an update on what I'm doing. I have asked and have been granted an early release from my 2-year contract with Star Racing Yamaha. I've had a lot of great memories riding blue, including winning a 250 SX championship together. Thanks to everyone for the support, and will update you on my future soon." Now, obviously, this year, the last few years for Christian Craig have not been great. He won his 250 title with Yamaha, which awesome. Looked like, he was finally progressing. Winning his 250 title, he got his 450 contract with Husqvarna, and has basically spent the last, 3 years injured? Something like 6, 7, 8 surgeries on that elbow, and just has never really seemed right. I mean, obviously, if you have, an injury to your arm, and then, just never having it fixed correctly, always going through surgeries and healing, and then getting this ride, which basically kind of seemed like, hey, come race Supercross for us, and kind of be Hayden Deegan's teacher, mentor, training partner. I don't know what you want to call it. We know you guys have a good rapport, good friendship. So come race for us, be on the same team, and help him train. And well, that didn't last very long this Supercross season. There was the reports that a couple weeks, and then no, I got to try something else. And so he was kind of in a weird spot. I mean, obviously with Justin Cooper, Cooper Webb, and Eli Tomac, 4 450 riders for any factory team is a lot. And obviously he was the fourth wheel out of that. And that's not me being mean. I like Christian Craig. I loved when he won his 250 title. It kind of sucked how many years he got screwed out of a full season filling in for Honda for 450 a couple races, screwing championships for himself. And I honestly hoped that he would have done well. Finally got his 450 title, or 450 contract, not title, with Husky. I was hoping that, he was going to, progress. But at this point, I mean, he is old. He is probably, 30? I'm going to look this up. He's older than I even thought. As of right now, he is 34 years old. So think he's 2 years older than Eli Tomac, Dylan Ferrandis, he's older than Justin Barcia. He's in that weird kind of age range of haven't won titles, so you're not really a top guy. Where do you fall into the hierarchy of things? And it's going to be interesting to see where he goes. As I've, just seeing this, obviously there's people talking about I've seen him Cowie, Triumph, WSX. Yeah, you can just throw out names and see where it goes, but it's just another layer to the silly season that we're going to have, and see what happens. Club MX, Firepower Honda, one of those teams, maybe. We'll see. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Have you heard anything? Have you seen anything? Where do you think he should go? Would you like him to continue racing, or you don't care one way or the other? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.